Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to apply the individual identity as per the question to solve and evaluate the answer. So as you can see, the first part, it says evaluate the following using appropriate identity, and they have mentioned the identity that we have to use here is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This identity can be used in both the ways, that is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, or a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. First I'm going with this part. The other way around also we are going to use it. So first we'll be given the question in form of a square minus b square, and we'll be applying a plus b into a minus b. So here, if you can see here, it's 51 square and 49 square. So can we say here a is 51 and b is 49? Only for the first question I'm mentioning it. So what is a square minus b square? As the identity says, it's a plus b into a minus b. So it's 51 plus 49 multiplied by 51 minus 49. 51 plus 49 is going to be 100, and 51 minus 49 is going to be a 2. So directly it's a 200. Similarly, if you look at this next question, it's 153 squared minus 147. So A is 153 and B is 147. So A plus B times A minus B. Right? So when I add 153 and 147, I should get a, yes, 200. No, 300. Okay, so it's a 300 multiplied by 157 and 153, take away 147, or subtraction of 53 by 47, it will give me a 6, right? Okay, so 3 times 6 is 1800, right? Next, what is our A? 1.02. And what is our B? 0.98. So 1.02 plus 0.98 multiplied by 1.02 minus 0.98. Okay, so if I add this, I'm going to get a 2. Let's check the addition. A quick addition, then I'll erase it. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So it's a 2 when I'm adding them. And when I'm subtracting them, let's see what we are getting. Yes, so this will be a 0, 9 and 12. So it's a 4, correct? 0.04. So what will happen? The first part is 2 and the second bracket will be 0.04. A quick addition and subtraction I've just shown. So the first one will become a 2.00, which is a 2, and the second one will be a 0.04. Right? So that is 2 multiplied by 0.04. So the answer is 0.08. Right? Next, 12.1 is the A and 7.9 is the B. So 12.1 plus 7.9 multiplied by 12.1 minus 7.9. Right? So when I add it, I'll get a 2. Okay, and when I'm subtracting it, what will be getting it? It's 1, so 2, so it's a 4.2, right? So indirectly 2 times 4.2, which is a 8.4. So clearly we are not supposed to do a direct multiplication here. We have to apply the identity. So in this one, I just helped you doing a square minus b square equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And I've taken some extra questions here. As you can see here, it's 279 and 21. Add, then subtract. Same way, 23.71 plus 0.38 and 23.71 minus 0.38. Okay, like that you have to solve these 4 examples. Now the next, the same identity in the other way around, that is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So what we have to do is we have to find a common thing between the two multiples, the two numbers which are multiplied. We have to find a common thing, like as we round off. If I round off 78, it will be 80. Nearest is 80. Similarly, for 82, the nearest rounding off will be 80. So can we say 78 and 82 both having a common thing, that is 80, right? So 78 can be said to be 80 minus 2, and 82 is 80 plus 2. So is it a minus b into a plus b? Yes. So can we directly say it's a square minus b square? So a square minus b square. So 6400 minus 4, which is 6396, right? Next, 297 and 303. 297, if we round off, it will be 300, and 303, when you round off, it's 300. So isn't it 300 minus 3 and 300 plus 3? Yes. So it's 300 square minus 3 square. So 90,000 minus 9, right? Which will be a yes, 89,991, right? Now, if it is a decimal, what should we do? Again, 10.5. Somewhere we have a 10 and 9.5, right? So this is 0.5 more than 10, and 9.5 is 0.5 less than 10. So it's 10 plus 0.5, and the other one is 10 minus 0.5. So our A is 10 and B is 0.5. So 10 squared minus 0.5 squared. So it's 100 minus 0.25, right? Which will be a 99.75. Okay, let's do the other one. If I round it, it is 1000. It is rounded, again it's 1000. So it's 1000 plus 3 and 1000 minus 3. So which is a 1000 squared minus 3 squared. So 1000 squared will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 9, which will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 1. Right? Similarly, I've taken 4 questions for you to solve. I'll just give you a hint. This, if you round off, it's 50, and 49 is also 50. So it's 50 plus 1 and 50 minus 1. Similarly, 101 will be 100 plus 1, and 99 is 100 minus 1. Then 10.1 and 9.9. 10 plus 0.1 and 10 minus 0.1 will give you a 9.9. Okay. The next you need to figure out, yes, 30 minus 3 and 30 plus 3. Right? So a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b, and a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Both the ways we have used it to find the multiplication of two-digit numbers, right? Two numbers multiplication. Now the next identity that we are going to use is x plus a times x plus b equals to x square plus a plus bx plus b ab. Sorry. So now if you see, the only difference is, yes, they will be near having some common number. Like here it's 103 and 104. What is common? 100. So we'll say it's 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 4. So as per our formula, the x square is represented by 100, the a is 3 and the b is 4. So if we apply the formula, in place of x square, we'll be putting 100 square. We'll write 100 square plus a is 3, b is 4. So a plus b times x. So 100 plus a into b. If you can match the formula, x square is 100 square, a plus b, so 3 plus 4 into 100, which is 100, plus a into b, which is 3 into 4. Let's start. So it's 10,000 plus 7 multiplied by 100 is a 700 plus a 12. So we'll get 10712, right? Next, 103 and 98. 103 is 100 plus 3 and 98 is 100 minus 2. Right? Again, in place of the above formula, it's x squared. It's x plus a into x minus b. So it's 100 squared plus a is 3, our b is minus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 3 with minus 2. So a x square plus a plus b x plus a into b. This will be a 10,000 plus 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 100 is 100 minus 6. So it's what? 10096, right? Because 100 minus 94, sorry, 100 minus 6 is 94, correct? Let's take the next. 5.1 is 5 plus 0.1, and 5.2 is 5 plus 0.2. So the a in this case is 5, sorry, x in this case is 5, so 5 square. A is 0.1, b is 0.2, so add it, multiply by x, which is a 5, plus 0.1 multiplied by 0.2. So let's start. It's 25 plus 0.1 and 0.2 is 0.3. 0.3 multiplied by 5 is 1 point, sorry, 1.5. Again, 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3. 0.3 multiplied by 5 is 1.5 plus 0.02. So which is equal to, I'll get the answer as 26.52. Right? Let's do the next one. 9.7 and 9.8. This can be written as 10 minus 0.3 and 10 minus 0.2. We can write this as 9 plus 0.7 and 9 plus 0.8. But it's a bigger number, but you can try that also. 9 plus 0.7 and 9 plus 0.8 can also be possible. But I'm taking a more simpler one by 10 minus 0.3 and 10 minus 0.2. So my x is 10 squared plus my a is 0.3, my b is minus 0.2 multiplied by 10 plus, what should I do? The multiplication of 0.3 and 0.32, sorry. So that will give me 100 minus 0.2 and 0.3 added is 0.5 multiplied by 10 is negative 5 plus this will be a 0.06. 100 minus 5 is 95, so 95.6, right? Let's take the next one. This is 10 plus 0.2, that is 10.2, and 10 minus 0.5 is 9.5. So again, my x square is 10, a is 0.2, b is minus 0.5 multiplied by 10 plus 0.2 multiplied by minus 0.5. So 10 square is 100 plus 0.5 minus 0.2. It's a minus 0.3 times 10 plus of minus 0.1. Why? Because 2 times 5 is 10, but there are two decimal places, so 0.1. Okay, let's write it off. 100 minus of 3 minus of 0.1, which is 100 minus 3.1, which will give me a 96.9. Okay, next it's a, yes, sorry, that was a printing mistake. It's 997 multiplied by 1005. So it's 1000 minus 3, sorry, not 100, 1000 minus 3 and 1000 plus 3. So x square is 1000. So 1000 square plus minus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 1000 plus 3, sorry, minus 3 multiplied by 5. 1000 square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 10 lakh plus 2000 minus 15. Correct? So it comes out to be 1001985. So what are we doing here? There is a there's a common factor, that is 100 plus 100 minus, 10 plus 10 minus, 50 plus 50 minus. So we are ending up getting the same identity, x plus a, x plus b, right? Which is x squared plus a plus bx plus ab. I've taken some questions for extra practice. If you can see the first question, it's 50 plus 3 and 50 plus 2. Similarly, here it will be 1000 plus 2 and 1000 plus 5. 200 plus 1, 200 minus 2. 1 plus 0.1 and 1 plus 0.4. Your x is 1, a is 0.1 and b is 0.4. Hope it is clear. Thank you.